Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you how to use the Uphold mobile app to access your wallet. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to download and install the Uphold mobile app. You can get it from the App Store for iOS devices, or you can get it from Google Play Store for Android devices. And once you have the app and you have it installed, just open the Uphold app and log into your account using your email address and password. Of course, if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to open one from there. But assuming that you have one, you want to move on to step 3, which is to tap on the wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, you want to select the wallet that you want to access from the list of available wallets, and you can view the details of your wallet, including, of course, the balance, transaction history, as well as the wallet address. Next up, you can use the Uphold mobile app to send or receive funds from each of these wallets that you have set up. So yeah, that's next up, you can manage the settings for your wallet, including, of course, the wallet name, the wallet description, as well as wallet security. So you can manage the security settings for each wallet, including two-factor authentication. You can set that up for an extra layer of security. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Uphold mobile app to access your wallet. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.